Hey everybody, Pooey and I are going out to dinner tonight. The pizza company. It's kind of a treat for us. Oh, so we'll take you along and let you see what there is to be seen. Hey, look at that big sea. Who'd have guessed? Oh, that big pile of durian that was here yesterday is gone. Look at, they got these guys cutting it up.
เลือกเนื้อช่างค่ะรวมได้เลยค่ะสมทุกมือหยิบใส่ตะกร้าเลยจ้ะเลือกได้ทุกคือสัมผัสได้กรอบนอกนุ่มในทุกช่องทาง
That he is a
กิโลละ690 2กิโล1,200
sticky
Okay. So here at the Big C, they've got a Cineplex over here, which I've not been to yet. There's a Thai-style cafeteria over here where they got a bunch of Thai food. We got a KFC, a Dairy Queen, and then the pizza company is where we're going tonight. We go to the pizza company once every, maybe 3 times a month. It's a nice treat. They got good pizza, spaghettis of different flavors and stuff. So Pooey said she wanted to go get some spaghetti tonight, so here we are. And durian, apparently. Most everything's paid by phone here. You can get your grocery shopping done, your gasoline, anything. Even at the street market, you can just buy your fried chicken and smoothies with your phone. You just got to download your bank app and you're in business. Is that buy one, get one free?
No. Set. One set.
I can't read that, babe, so I don't know. Oh, I see. Combo meal. Sweaty cop. Sit on our table over here. Or you want to sit in the bench seat? You want to sit over here, Ted? Okay. Yeah, I'll do the salad.
เอาลงนี่ลงให้กันแล้วนะ
Yeah. So I'm going for the garden salad.
จะขอทานเล่นด้วยไหมคะ
79 baht. And we're doing the
เดี๋ยวแป๊บนึง
large
ปกติมันซื้อแยกก็89 บาทรวมกัน
pan, 499 baht, with the super deluxe. Comes with everything on it, I think, except the
เอาปลา
anchovies.
เนี่ยค่ะของพี่อาจารย์ค่ะ
What does it say? Ham, bacon, pepperoni, smoked sausage, Italian sausage, mushrooms, pineapple, onion, capsicums, and pizza sauce. And then we're getting smoothies and some water. Let's see how it looks. Those are good fish sticks. We ordered some fish sticks. They're pretty good. My garden salad. The pizza here is really nice. It's keeps me in touch with the Western food. Like I said, we come here maybe 3 times a month. We get pizza, take the leftovers home. It's really good pizza. The pizza company, lifesaver. Praise the pizza company. This restaurant makes living here in this rural Isan village way more tolerable. You know, I can come here and get a pizza every once in a while. It takes the edge off of the other food. KFC here sucks. It's not like KFC in the States at all. I lived 1 block from the KFC, 16 years, 17 years. I think I went there like 3 times, so I'm not even a KFC fan. But this one is just horrible. They got a different menu, the chicken's not the same. But anyway, that's where we're at. Oh, you need keys?